Welcome to this edition of the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Friday, June 5th, 2020. The equities market closed trading activities for the last day of the week as NSE-ASI depreciated by 1.17% amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at -6.80%. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 25,016.30 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.49 trillion naira in 4,342 deals. At the close of trading for the previous week, investors lost 118.42 billion naira as market recorded 22 gainers to 18 losers. BOC Gases, Naimet International Pharmaceuticals and Learn Africa were top gainers for equity, while Cadbury Nigeria, Wapik Insurance and Vitafoam Nigeria were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, Fidelity Bank and Guaranty Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.73 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 75 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 692.38 basis points with a market capitalization of 508.60 billion. The volume of shares traded was 331,850 and 82.270 million in terms of value traded in 6 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the key highlights, the Board of Directors of the African Development Bank has approved Nigeria's Country Strategy Paper 2020 to 2024, which builds on the successes and challenges of the 2013 to 2019 edition and incorporates emerging developmental realities and opportunities shaping Nigeria's political and economic landscape, including in the post-COVID-19 period. Ebrima Fowl, Senior Director for the African Development Bank in Nigeria, reaffirmed the institution's support for Nigeria's socio-economic advancement in the implementation of the CSP. The bank will also support Nigeria to address economic shocks associated with the COVID-19 pandemic and oil price shocks by focusing the interventions in sectors that will strengthen public health infrastructure and accelerate efforts towards economic transformation and diversification of export earnings and fiscal revenues from oil. For the key event to watch, the Nigerian Stock Exchange will host a webinar on the impact of COVID-19 on the global capital markets and the resilience of securities exchanges in supporting economies on June 10, 2020, with the theme Capital Markets in a Pandemic. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms, displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday programs. The Proshare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.